Okay, scumbuckets. Oh, I shouldn't really say that to loyal or even incidental viewers. One Aria STG series guitar. All nice and shiny, even set up, which I forgot to bring the camera and show you how it didn't work. An hour and a half to get this correct, but the intonation is all there. Other things, it's the nut is glued in, as we saw before, but the thing that really lets this down, the tuners. They are, my old pair of pants is worth more than this. It's just not good enough. Spending £30 on some tuners wouldn't go amiss, but then because you've got to fix them in. So tones right up to 10, just see how it sounds. These ones are quite nice. Go to the neck and middle. It's not the greatest guitar in the world by any means, but it does. So just to the middle. Bridge and middle. Onto the humbucker at the bridge. So quite a bright sound there. Now I'm not overly sure about the little coil tap. Is that coil tappy or is that not coil tappy? As this is quite an old one, it didn't come with instructions, it's a little bit difficult to, well, is it difficult? We'll find out. Put it down. Probably on humbucker when it's pushed down. Bright, so this is if the tones make any difference. These very small pots in here. Should be kind of a sweet spot around there, if you know what I mean. Tone is only, as far as I know, tone is only the bridge in the middle, these two here. These newfangled things called humbuckers, or maybe not. Probably dark. Yeah, dark. meat. Well, it's hum cancelling. There's a big difference in the tone there, and that's with the tone turned right up, so let's turn it right down. Now I think that's quite a nice sound. Those quite versatile. Takes it down quite a bit volume wise. That's really quite a sparkly sound for the middle pickup. See if we'll muddy it up a bit. Slight difference, I don't think it make any. Once you go through umpteen pedals and a decent amp, which do you need a really decent amp if you're going to multi-effects or even 5 pedals? Or just muddy the sound and take the tone away from the amp itself. I'm not sure if that's true, but do you need anything more than distortion, a chorus, a flanger? Really? Yeah. Flanger, phase up, I don't know what the difference is. Does it sound good? Yeah, definitely single coiled on this side, well, single coiled. And jazz. Just leave out there. So overall, I think we've got a decent setup. All the bits and pieces are kind of according to Fender. How many people actually take notice of them? Does it feel right to you? It's the main thing. Does it feel right? Great. Does it sound good? Yeah. But so many people that get a really high-end guitar, 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 for a solid body, and they change the pickups, change the machine heads. All different springs in the... Oh, that matters. Anyway, the continuing and end of the Aria saga. Well, if you like it, a thumbs up. If you really like it, please subscribe. That would be really good. Cheers.